Here's another quick tip on how to save some money by using a couple of fuel apps. So you can go and check these apps out, see if it's for you. But
the apps are both free, by the way. You don't have to pay for them.
Free apps, and away you go. So we've just pulled up at the surf beach, checked the surf conditions. I can tell right away it's freezing cold, so there'll be no surfing from us two. This is another in the series of how to make your life a little bit easier and put some pennies back into your pocket. We're moving tomorrow, so part of our normal regime is get our laundry done, tidy the van, go and do shopping, and put diesel in the Dmax. So we're staying at a little town in South Australia. In town, the fuel is $1.95 for just standard diesel, no Optimum or anything like that, so $1.95. By using the app, we just did a search, cheap fuel in this little town, just in the back streets, and it's usually where the tradies go, or trucks, commercial vehicles, that sort of thing, but no problems with you filling up your just normal car. $1.78 as opposed to $1.95. So we saved ourselves today. We only did a partial fill. We put 50 litres in. We got a 130 litre long range tank.
We're going 2 blocks off the main road.
It's a couple of minutes. So Lee will put links up to the ad, and as with anything, we don't do subsidiary links. We don't get any kick. We just do this. This is us. In the States, we were using an app called Gas Buddy, and the apps that we use in Leanne does all the planning. So what?
It's Fuel Map Australia is one of them, and you record and do all your logs and everything else if you want to find out what you're
What's
doing.
the next one we use?
And Petrol Spy I've been put on to recently.
Your sister uses links, but that just saved us money. So if you're travelling around Australia,
fuel's one of our biggest expenses each month.
It's one of our huge ones, if not the biggest.
Because we can't go anywhere without it.
Absolutely.